What's up guys, this is Yao here and I have a pronunciation tip for you. Do take a look at these and I'll be right back. So for entries like these, there's some sort of peculiarity when it comes to their pronunciations, okay? And this peculiarity has to do with the letter R in them, okay? So the R in English. So you see the R in each of them, the R in Chi. So for words like these, we do not mention the R's in them, okay? We do write them, but when you are speaking, you don't mention the R's. Okay, we don't. What we do instead is to slide over them with the vowels that come right before them. Okay, so when you are speaking and you want to use any of these words or phrases, don't mention the R's. Okay, it doesn't sound natural when you do mention the R's. So what we do instead is to slide over them with the vowel that comes right before them. Okay, we are going to try them in a jiffy, but I just want you to get it before. And it doesn't matter whether it's one word or two words, the same rule applies. Okay, so let's go over the list and see how they sound in actual speech. All right, so the first one is obia, obia, not obiara. So we do write obiara, and you wouldn't be wrong to say obiara, but to sound natural, most Ghanaians will say obia. In fact, that is how we say it. Obia, okay. The second one is bia, bia, not biara, okay. So we do say biara sometimes, but it doesn't sound natural if you are speaking like in natural speech, okay. So we write biara, but we tend to say bia, okay. The third one again is bibi. BB, BB. So you see how I slide over it. BB, not biribi. Okay, BB, BB. Okay, and the next one is bibia, 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 not biribiara. Okay, bibia. And then we have sa, sa. Sa. Again, you wouldn't be wrong to say Sarah. Okay, Sarah. But in natural speech, we are most likely going to go with sa, sa. Okay, and then we have seya, seya, seya. Okay, and then we have pa, pa, pa. I'm sure you've come by this several times. So we would write pa ara, but we would say pa, pa, pa. All right. And then we have onwa, onwa, onwa. And the next one is nkwa, 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 not nko ara. Okay, nkwa. And then we have bema, bema, bema. So you hear the first letter A actually sounding E. Okay, so you hear bema instead of bama, whatever that is. So you hear bema with the E because that A in there is actually this in sound. Okay, so if you missed our lesson on this, you can check it out. I'll leave a direct link in the description box below. It's titled the A, E, and O vowels. All right. So the rule of we not mentioning the R's, okay, do not apply to just these phrases. They actually extend beyond this to include long phrases. All right, and this is especially so with the progressive marker. Okay, so the tense marker that indicates that an action is ongoing in Twi is re. Okay, when you add this to like a verb, it indicates that the action of the verb is still ongoing, and we are going to look at this. But just for you to know it briefly, just know that we use re as in a to mark the progressive in Twi. All right, so in almost all phrases, if not all, that have the re, the re, okay, so the a in them marking the progressive, we tend not to mention the r's. What we do instead is to slide over the vowel that comes right before them. Okay, so for example, a sentence like I am going to school will be meko suku. Meko suku, not mereko suku. No, we don't use that. We don't say mereko. We say meko. So wherever it is that you are going to, if not school, it's meko. Meko school. Meko asori. Meko ejuma. Okay, and if you want to say he or she is sleeping, that will be orda. Orda, not oreda. No, we don't say oreda. We say order. Order. You see how we slide over them? Order. Order. Okay. And if I want to say I am asking you a question, I will say me bisa wo asem. Me bisa wo asem, and not mere bisa wo asem. No. So it's me bisa wo asem. Me bisa wo asem. All right. And this is still the case even if the verb and the progressive marker is separate from the subject. Okay, so if the subject is a subject noun and it is separated from the verb and the progressive marker, you will still slide over them and you will not mention the okay, the r. So for example, if I want to say Kofi is coming home, I would say Kofi ba fie. Kofi ba fie. Kofi ba fie, and not Kofi reba fie. And if Ama is singing, I would say Ame tojum. Ame tojum. Ame tojum, not Ama retojum. Okay, Ama retojum. No, it's Ame tojum. Ame tojum. Okay, and if you are with someone and it's getting late and you want to excuse yourself, you could go like adie yasa. Adie yasa. Adie yasa, and not adie reye asa. No, it's adie yasa. Adie yasa. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you next time.